We built our first home. I am coming to you live from my beautiful white kitchen. I want to give you guys just a short sample of it because I have a new channel specifically dedicated to the process of building from the ground up. As some of you may know, I am a realtor. I have been for a few years now. So anyways, we were on the search for our first home. Couldn't find one that we both agreed on. So we decided to build. And so this is a small sneak peek of our lovely kitchen. And you'll have to tune in to Welcome to Tiffany's. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can follow me over there. That channel is going to be dedicated to all things home, DIY, decor, and all that great stuff. I have some projects in here that I have done. I have repurposed and all that great stuff. I have some arrangements that I have created on my own. I've decorated the home myself. And as a matter of fact, I have a few friends who have invited me to decorate their home and their office and whatnot. It's just a love of mine. I just love doing it. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And as you can see, you're probably like, what's going on with her hair? I chopped my hair off. I have a video that I'll be putting on this channel specifically for that natural hair and the reason why I had to cut it off and all the good stuff. I recorded the process of getting it cut and all that stuff. I have a barber now. It's weird to say I have a barber, but I have a barber. I do. So that will be on this channel. Also, yesterday I turned the big 45. So yes, I am in the 45 and fly club. I was going to say fab, 45 and fab, but I'm going to say 45 and fly. So I am upping my nutrition, my natural nutritional intake, just so I can just be even healthier. Because guys, I am 5 years away from being half a century old. Who can even believe it? Like, I just hear myself say it, I'm just like, my mind is not, it's just not, I can't even process that, you know. Just being 45 in and of itself is a leap for my mind to reconcile. I just cannot even. But anyway, so yes, well, that brings me to another thought. So I haven't celebrated yet. We will be celebrating. I wasn't going to say why, but after talking to my friend, the wife, today, I am doing a video for her husband who just recently passed last week. Our friend, we love him so much. I am doing a video. I've just totally taken this to another turn. I'm doing a video for his ceremony coming up. That video will be here on this YouTube channel. Honoring his life and his family, my friends, their families, us. So anyways, that will be here. So you guys will be seeing that. I don't know how long I'm going to leave it public, but it will be here for a moment. We will see. So as a result of that, I am not celebrating my birthday. Today is Wednesday. My birthday was yesterday, Tuesday, February 4th. This Saturday is the ceremony. And so Sunday, maybe be playing it by ear, but I'll go from there. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and give you guys an update and let you know there have been some changes, and I'm super excited to share them with you. And yes, so here's your little sneak peek. That's all you're gonna see. You have to tune in to Welcome to Tiffany's in order to see the home, the tour, the building from the ground up, the breaking the ground, all that good stuff. I even made a book. It's over here. And I have to add more pictures. I have to create more books because I have so many pictures and stuff. So yes, we vlogged it all. Just we're waiting for the right time. It has been 1 year now. Literally, we closed last January. And we moved in February 2nd. So it's been a year for us. So excited to share with you guys. So if you are excited about that, head over to Welcome to Tiffany's. The link will be in the description box below, so you guys can subscribe over there. If you like DIY, home decor projects, and just get the big view. Also, we also have a new family channel, because this channel here is dedicated just to, you know, me, my hair, natural hair, and product reviews and things like that. New family channel. It's just called Johnson. And so we'll be vlogging over there, just our daily lives. Just follow us over there. That link will be in the bottom as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope to see you on the other channels.